Hi everyone and welcome to the second lecture of JavaScript. In this lesson we will learn the type or the property type for the script tag to identify JavaScript or other script programming language and how to call external scripts. So the first thing you should do is to know that there is a property called type. And this property identifies JavaScript code, okay? There's also another script programming language very popular, which is VB script. VB script, okay? But the one that we are using and learning is the powerful and mighty JavaScript, okay? So let's type JavaScript between double quotes. Before JavaScript, you need to type text and a slash, okay? So this is how we identify JavaScript code as a property on the script tag, okay? There is no way that this will be misunderstood or misinterpreted by the web browser with other programming language, okay? Script tags nowadays, it's enough, but you'll probably see a lot of this situation, okay? Script type text JavaScript. Okay, so let's leave it that way. It's the most correct way. And if we run this, you already know what happens. Hello world, hi mom, okay, as a text. Now, what about if I want, remember how we used to load CSS external files? So we would create CSS code in other file, external file, and then load it to the HTML file. So you can do the same thing with JavaScript. So let me copy this, create a new file here, and you can take out the script tags here. Just leave the JavaScript code, which is document write hello world hi mom, and let's save this as GS file, which is a JavaScript file, okay? It ends with .gs, so let's type script.gs, okay? And here, let's save this as second lecture. Let's call it type and external .html. Okay, so let me just show you now how we can load the script.js file, and you'll see that we will load the code and the code will run perfectly. To do it, let's type another property called source, okay? So it's src equals double quotes, and if the file's in the same folder as the HTML file, we just type the name of the file, which is script.gs. Okay. Now, if we run this, you see that we don't have anything here as a JavaScript code or in the body. So if I run this, it will run the GS file that has the JavaScript code. Okay, so this is how we can load external scripts of JavaScript or JavaScript files to the HTML file. Okay guys, so this is it, and see you in the next lecture. Practice, okay? Bye.